Okay, I'm doing a quick video here, just end of the year video, going over our 2023 CFMoto Uforce 1000 XL. What I wanted to do is just kind of make a quick video going over all the upgrades and mods that we've done this year so far, and then kind of gives me a good update into next year, what we're gonna do to the machine. So we purchased it brand new this year in July, so we've had it for just 6 months. Already done quite a bit of work to it, so we'll just kind of go over all of that right now. So starting with the first change that we did was we ended up, as you probably seen in one of the videos, we bent one of the lower A-arms, so we now have SuperATV arched forward A-arms, which they're really nice, a lot beefier than the stock ones, and the stock ones weren't available anyway, so it just made sense to upgrade. As you see, we got the 2-inch lift from Perfex Industries. We got 30-inch Roctane tires, picked them up off Facebook for $100. We also have wheel spacers. We have 1.5-inch wheel spacers in the front, 2 inches in the rear. And we also have the Nilight RGB rock lights. And up here we have the SuperATV flip-up windshield. I added a wiper blade to it as well. And we also have the 50-inch light bar. Nice and bright. So we got the AuxBeam 8-gang switch panel here. Makes it so easy to add accessories. Really nice and clean setup. Got a rear view mirror. We got the Boss 36-inch RGB soundbar. Perfect size, nice and loud for in the side-by-side when you're riding. We have 2-foot RGB whip lights. We got the UNI Foam Air Filter that you've seen, as well as a RNG Primary Clutch Kit, which made a huge difference, just smoothing everything out with the jerky throttle that the Uforce 1000 XL has. The last thing, I guess, we got the little 14-inch light bar just on the rear. So yeah, overall great machine. What we're gonna do next month in January, we're gonna add half door, so I'm just going to build them myself out of steel, so that should be an interesting process. I'll make a video kind of going over that as well once we get to that point. So we're 2023, got it in July, 47.5 hours, 930 kilometers. It's been great. Only one check engine light was O2 sensor that just needed to be cleaned, and other than that, everything's been perfect. So we'll keep taking it out for rides and making some good videos in 2024. Cheers.